This is Crystalicious candy. Crystalicious sweets candy. Oh, this girl can disturb. Hello? Yeah. Please, I'll pay you your money. Just calculate everything. How much is the money? Calculate it and send it to me as a text, please. I don't have money right now. Honestly, I've submitted my CV everywhere. I've not been called for any job. No money, nothing. But I'm definitely going to pay you. Yes. Business opportunity. Which one? Tell me. Hey, I can't sell second-hand clothes. For what? When I'm not mad? I'm a graduate, for crying out loudly. I mean, I can't do that. That business is not for someone like me. That's how someone came yesterday and was telling me about I should just do snail business, go to Bayelsa, buy snail, this, that, or buy yam or whatever. Please, that business is not for me, not for my type of person, you know.
Will you just
Please.
keep quiet?
If I have to do a business, then I need to go to Dubai, buy things and sell online, or open a big shop and all that, invite my friends, we launch the shop and have fun. But you see this kind of business you just mentioned now, count me out, please. Whatever, I'll pay you, don't worry. In fact, soon I'm going to have a rich boyfriend.
You see your
Or
life?
maybe I should have just managed that idiot guy. Just like the guy was beating me too much. And his hand there, it was just too painful. Anyway, let him go. I'll get another guy. When I have a rich boyfriend, I'll pay you. Don't worry, soon. I'll pay you. Either I get a job or a rich boyfriend, okay? Calm down. Thank you. Thanks for your understanding. Hello? Please, I need your help. I need your help. You know, you're the only one I can count on. In fact, I really need your help. In fact, this time, I'm very sure of paying you the money. Yes, I have a job interview. I just got a message for a job interview in Lagos. And I don't have money, even 1K. As I speak with you right now, I don't have even 1K. I just need you to borrow me like 10K. Please.
Is this what you
There's
want
no
to do?
other person I can call right now, please. I know, calculate everything. So you mean you don't have any money at all? Eh. So. Alright, thank you. You know what? Your certificate, your secular education, they're not supposed to be hindrances to your success. But they can be if you fail to look beyond your certificate. Now, your wealth is not tied to your certificate. A lot of people have missed it today. They just sit down waiting for a dream job, that dream career, that dream business. You don't sit down waiting for these things. You need something called sustenance. You need money, and therefore you need to do business. The business you're doing might not even be related to your course. It might not even be related to the dream business, the big idea you have. But this thing is called sustenance. You need money to be able to go for job interviews. You need money to be able to take care of certain things while you're waiting for the job. Else you become impatient and accept just anything that comes your way, even with a bad condition, because you're desperate. Else you also have to depend on people. You become a burden to people around you. You want to go for a job interview, you're begging for money. You want to go for anything, like anywhere you're going to, you have to beg for money. In fact, you become a burden to all your friends, you become a burden to your family. That no matter how much your family love you, at the time you begin to get tired of you, because yes, you're a graduate, they want to see it in you. They've given you enough time in school, you're out of school, even if you're still living with them. But you're living with them and you're not adding anything. You're just forming graduates. You're just sitting down at home. I'm a big girl, I'm a big boy, I can't do this, I can't do that. But when it comes to finances, you have nothing. You're adding nothing. You're just telling yourself, you just keep reminding them, I'm a graduate. Yes, you have to remind them because they just can't see it. There's nothing about you that shows you're a graduate. You have to keep telling everyone around you that you're a graduate. You have to keep begging for money all the time. Do you know you can miss a serious job interview because you're broke? You need money, you need sustenance. Honestly, if you start something little that will be giving you money, it might even grow to an extent that you might not even want that job anymore. That's how it works. You might really want that job just because of you've heard how much the payment is and everything. Not really because you love the job, because of the name. But when you start something, you might find out what you really want is not that job or the particular job or the company, but the money. So when you start something else and you start receiving money, you're doing fine. You won't have to be calling the company all the time. I applied last time. When is the job going to be available? You start bothering everybody around you. If you have something doing, you'll be so busy. And because you're not desperate, you're not broke, you won't have to be calling them all the time to disturb them, even when it's not necessary. So sustenance is very important. Start something. Look at your country. What is working in your country? Don't be comparing yourself with every other country. Like, do you have enough jobs in your country? What is possible? What can I sell? That thing you're always complaining around you that this thing is not available. Why don't they have these things in this store? Why can't somebody create something so that life will be easy? If I step out here, it's going to be like this. Create it. You can create it yourself. If you can't create it because of money, then you start little with time. You're going to have money to create whatever you want to create. You're going to have money to even, maybe you become an employer of labor. You don't have to be looking for a job. But first of all, start doing something. Don't feel too big. Don't let your certificate make you feel too big that you can't do anything. So just start something little and become very responsible to your loved ones and everyone around you. Thank you very much. Bye.